Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cash out from Robinhood. Start by confirming your available cash, then sell or wait for settlement, choose your linked bank, and enter the withdrawal amount. Verify your identity, if prompted, and review estimated transfer times. Expect ACH transfers to take a few business days, and use instant transfers for faster access at a fee. Keep records of transaction ID for peace of mind. Learn how settlement affects your cash-out timing and avoid surprises. If you sell shares, remember most trades settle in 2 business days, which limits immediate withdrawals. Use instant transfer for quicker access when needed, but plan for the fee and limits. ACH is reliable and free in many cases, taking 1 to 3 business days. Always check estimated arrival time shown in the app before confirming your withdrawal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions and fits cup holders, so you stay sharp while managing withdrawals. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for considering the tip. Now let's get back to the video. Know the fees and limits so you can plan cash outs without surprises. Instant transfers charge a fee or percentage for faster access, while standard ACH often has no fee but slower delivery. Robinhood may impose daily or monthly limits, so split large withdrawals or verify additional identity steps to raise limits. Always confirm your linked bank details to avoid rejections, and keep transaction records in case you need support or dispute a charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.